Now, for most first-time expat buyers in Dubai, you are most likely be looking at freehold properties in the designated zones. Understanding these legal frameworks and the roles of RERA and DLD gives you the confidence that your purchase is secure and regulated. Now, having guided many first-time buyers, I see some common pitfalls that are easily avoidable with a little bit of awareness. Let's quickly run through them so you can sidestep these mistakes. Mistake number one: skipping mortgage pre-approval. Yes, I'm repeating it. We have hammered this one, but it is worth repeating. Starting the hunt without knowing your actual budget leads to wasted time for everyone in the chain. It leads to frustration and potential disappointment. So please get pre approved first. Mistake number two: ignoring or underestimating service charges, focusing only on the purchase price and mortgage payment and forgetting those potentially hefty annual service charges. They can significantly impact your monthly budget. Always ask for the exact rate per square feet and factor that in. Mistake number three: choosing the wrong location. Falling for a beautiful apartment or villa without really considering your commute, lifestyle needs, proximity to schools or work, or the overall community vibe is a big mistake. Research the neighborhood, visit at different times. Right? Now, let us move to mistake number four: underestimating the total upfront costs. Now, this is a big one, especially with the recent changes. Forgetting about the 4% DLD fee and the 2% agency fee, the trustee fee, mortgage registration fee, valuation fee. Remember that extra chunk of cash you will need upfront now has gone up on top of the down payment. Budget for all these costs from the start. Mistake number five: not inspecting thoroughly about the ready properties or not researching the developer reputation when buying an off plan. See, for ready properties, get a professional snagging or inspection report done before you finalize. For off plan, as we discussed earlier, deep dive into that developer's reputation, check the track record and the financial stability. Mistake number six: rushing the process. Dubai's market can feel fast paced and sometimes agents might create urgency. Now, buying a home is a massive decision, guys. While I am myself a real estate advisor, I will suggest do not get pressured into making a hasty choice out of fear of missing out. Take your time, compare options, and sleep on it for some time before you take the final call. Mistake number seven: getting too emotional. It is natural to get excited about finding your dream home, but please try to balance your emotion with objectivity. Just remember, it is also a major financial transaction. Ask critical questions, rely on professional advice from your agent, broker, conveyancer, whoever you are dealing with, and please do not overlook the potential red flags just because you've fallen in love with the view or perhaps the swimming pool, or your better half likes the luxury elements that you may or may not use after you move inside that house. Avoiding these common slip ups will make your home buying journey much smoother. It will make it less stressful and ultimately it will be a much more successful decision.